You think you're strong, until life truly tests you. Until the people you trusted vanish. Until plans you worked for crumble overnight. Until you're staring at the ceiling in the dark, wondering why you feel so lost, so powerless, so tired. That's when you realize, your biggest enemy isn't the world around you. It's the voice inside your head that tells you to give up, to stay comfortable, to remain the same. That voice is your weakness. And today, we end it. You're not here for motivation, you're here for transformation. Welcome to the Growth Dose, where we don't escape the fire, we walk through it and come out forged in strength. The truth is, this world doesn't reward silence, effort, or discipline anymore. It rewards shortcuts. It celebrates comfort. It praises the loud but ignores the wise. But you're different, because something inside you is starving for truth, for clarity, for power, for self-control. You're not looking for comfort anymore. You're looking for growth. And that's what Stoicism gives you. It's not about pretending emotions don't exist, it's about mastering them. It's not about being cold, it's about being calm. These are 10 brutal Stoic laws that will strip away your weakness and rebuild the real you, strong, patient, grounded, and unstoppable. The first law is control what you can and burn the rest. Most people live their entire lives trying to control things that will never belong to them, what people think, what people say, what tomorrow will bring. They waste years trying to shape the uncontrollable, and all they get in return is anxiety, frustration, and regret. The Stoic understands one simple truth: you cannot control the world, but you can always control your mind. You cannot control how someone treats you, but you can control whether it breaks you. Life will never bend to your will, but your will can bend reality itself. The day you stop chasing control outside and start mastering it inside, the world loses its power over you. Real peace isn't found when everything is calm, it's found when nothing can shake you. The second law is discipline over desire. Weakness grows in the comfort you choose daily. Every time you hit snooze, scroll mindlessly, or give in to temptation, you feed the part of you that keeps you small. Discipline is not punishment, it's proof that you respect yourself. The Stoics practiced discipline because they knew it's the foundation of freedom. You can't call yourself free if your habits control you. Every act of self-control, waking early, staying consistent, saying no when it's easier to say yes, kills weakness piece by piece. Discipline isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It's the bridge between who you are and who you could become. Remember this: every choice you make either builds your strength or feeds your weakness. Choose wisely. The third law is pain is the price of power. Pain reveals what motivation hides. It's life's purest teacher. The Stoic doesn't avoid pain, he studies it. He doesn't cry, "Why me?" He whispers, "Try me." Every scar tells a story of survival. Every heartbreak hides a lesson in detachment. Every failure is training for the next victory. Pain doesn't make you weaker, it shows you where you need to grow. If you spend your life running from discomfort, you'll stay a prisoner to it. But if you face it, you become something else: calm in chaos, fearless in struggle, and unshakable in purpose. Don't curse your pain, use it. It's the raw material of strength. The fourth law is let go or be dragged. Everything in this life is temporary: your possessions, your success, even the people you love. The Stoics meditated on loss daily, not because they were cold, but because they understood truth. Everything you hold will one day slip away, and the tighter you cling, the more it hurts when it goes. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring, it means you stop depending. You stop giving your peace to what you can't control. The man who can lose everything and still stand tall, that man is free. Detachment doesn't make you emotionless, it makes you powerful enough to love without fear and to live without chains. The fifth law is silence is a weapon. Everyone's talking, few are listening. The world screams for attention, but the Stoic remains still. He doesn't waste energy proving his worth or defending his truth. Because true power doesn't need validation. Every word you choose not to speak gives you control. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. It's awareness. The man who can remain calm while others panic owns the battlefield. People will misunderstand your quietness, but that's fine. Let them. Because silence isn't emptiness, it's focus. It's the place where thoughts grow sharp, emotions calm down, and wisdom is born. The sixth law is reflection is power. You can't change what you refuse to confront. The Stoic spends time in solitude not to escape the world but to understand himself. He reviews his actions, his mistakes, his motives. He asks, why did I react that way? What triggered me? What can I do better next time? The weak avoid self-reflection because truth hurts. The strong seek it because truth heals. Until you understand your emotions, they will control you. Reflection turns pain into insight, and insight into transformation. Look in the mirror, not to admire yourself, but to challenge yourself. The seventh law is virtue over validation. The Stoic lives by principles, not applause. Integrity, courage, humility, and self-control, these are not outdated values, they are timeless weapons. The world today worships image, but character still builds empires. Every time you do what's right instead of what's popular, you become stronger. You might lose people, opportunities, comfort, but you'll gain peace. The approval of others is temporary, the approval of your own conscience is eternal. Live so that even if the world doubts you, your soul stands proud. The eighth law is time is blood, don't waste it. Time is the only thing that never returns once spent. You can earn back money, rebuild success, regain love, but not time. Yet we treat it like it's infinite, wasting it on gossip, distractions, and meaningless habits. The Stoics saw time as sacred. Every sunrise was a gift. Every sunset, a reminder. You don't have tomorrow, you have now. The clock is running whether you act or not. Every wasted hour feeds your weakness. Every purposeful moment builds your strength. The man who values time values life. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create it. The 10th law is your focus shapes your fate. What you focus on expands. If you keep thinking about what's missing, your life becomes empty. If you focus on what you can control, your life becomes meaningful. The Stoic doesn't deny problems, he redefines them. Every obstacle is a lesson. Every setback is training. You can't always choose what happens, but you can always choose what it means. Weak minds see defeat. Strong minds see direction. Change your focus, and you change your destiny. Now ask yourself, which of these 10 Stoic laws do you need the most right now? Which one burned when you heard it? Which one exposed the part of you that's been asleep for too long? Think about it, and share it in the comments. Because your words might help someone else rise. Remember this, weakness whispers comfort. Strength answers with silence, and keeps walking. If this video gave you something real, if it made you think, or helped you see your power differently, then show it. Like this video, subscribe to the Growth Dose, and leave your thoughts below. Because growth is not about listening, it's about reflecting, applying, and evolving. Thank you for watching. This is the Growth Dose, where weakness ends, and the real you begins.